Hi guys, I'm discuss very important topic about the in a particular website how we can sharing for Twitter profile wall. In this purpose, so any kind of content, suppose I'm selecting on content here, just I'm selecting this option, copy this content. If I'm sharing for Twitter wall, so everyone worry about that they are posting for small thumbnail option. They're posting for small thumbnail option. So we are using for a lot of third-party tools. That is not required for third-party tools. How we can sharing for your particular website content with a large thumbnail option. In this purpose, just you can writing for three-line code. There is the code will be here. Summary underscore large underscore image. Here you can add your Twitter username option. I'm writing code will be here. Just listen. So finally, I'm writing this code. This is my page username for my Twitter. So this I'm writing for here in a particular option. In this one, how you can adding for your particular website to posting container with the large image. This code in a previous submission will be small image option. Just I'm logging cPanel. So guys, I'm logging cPanel. Just this copy for three-line code. Any website will be same. Nothing will be changed for to showing for large image. Go to particular file. This will be adding for each web page header format. Each web page header format. So I'm click for head. So where any header will be, I'm adding in this option. Click for save option. Once done, I'll show you live proof. Just refresh. Same coding will be here in this. So yeah, just you can update it. Is I'm showing for small thumbnail option. Give me the seconds time. Just control you. You can check the code is updated or not. Yes, code is updated. Just give me the 5 seconds time. Now, after I'm sharing here, just look at. Click for tweet. Is the way we have to do for in a particular option will be sharing for large image option. Previous they're showing for small image. Now it will showing for large image option on the particular Twitter post. Just don't forget only for three-line code. This will be this code I'm writing for in this my website. We can copy from blogs. Every code will be there. Any website will be regarding doubts, please ask me. I definitely will be writing your code in each and every website for the Twitter large image sharing purpose. This compulsory important each and every users to sharing for Twitter with a large image option. That is compulsory important each particular users. So here I'm sharing Twitter. They're showing for large image here. They're visible, sometimes it will be not visible in this post-it. So this is the way we have to sharing for each image with a large image on the particular Twitter post. Just lining for three-line code. Nothing required for any tools or any websites.